When we founded Grand Design, we wanted to create a special kind of company, unlike any other company in the RV industry. We were focused on integrity, quality, close customer relationships, and especially industry-leading customer service. We set out to lead the industry, designing coaches that blended innovation, exceptional craftsmanship, and cutting-edge quality, all while ensuring the ease of serviceability. We also worked to cultivate meaningful connections with our owners, while dedicating ourselves to giving back in the communities that welcomed us along the way. Today, our focus and commitment remain unchanged. Our commitment to quality, industry-leading customer service, and commitment to our growing family of Grand Design owners.
When I think about quality here at Grand Design RV, it means so much more than the traditional definition. To us, quality means much more than the parts that we buy and how we assemble our products. To us, quality is innovation, a commitment to continuous improvement, and truly listening to those that matter the most to us, our owners. We've recently launched a dedicated team focused entirely on innovation and ongoing improvement. Their mission is to not only address challenges as they arise, but to seek out the latest technologies and creative solutions that elevate our products and the experiences they make possible. Our connection with our owners plays a vital role in this process. We take their feedback to heart. Our product managers are out in the field, attending shows and rallies, having real conversations with the people who live the RV lifestyle every single day. Those insights directly shape what we build and how we improve. And it doesn't stop with the product. We invest heavily in the dealer education through programs like Grand Design University and the creation of a focused dealer development role. This ensures that when you, the customer, walk into a dealership, you're met with a team that truly understands our Grand Design products, and they are ready to provide you with a welcoming and informed experience. At Grand Design, quality is a living, breathing promise. It's who we are, and it's in everything we do.
We know that life on the road can throw some unexpected curveballs. That's exactly why Grand Design has made customer service our top priority. To ensure you're never without support, I'm standing in our dedicated, state-of-the-art, 300,000 square foot customer support center right here in Elkhart, Indiana, designed to service your coach and ensure essential parts are ready to go when your dealer needs them. Our support center is also home base to the service response team. This group of individuals spans across the U.S. responding to issues that could interrupt your journey. And because peace of mind matters, we proudly stand behind our units with our industry-leading 135 warranty, which reflects the trust we place in our craftsmanship. This warranty is fully transferable and retroactive to the original owner's purchase date. It includes 1 year of comprehensive coverage for any manufacturing defect, 3 years of structural protection covering key components like walls, floors, and roofing, and 5 years of coverage for the towable frame assembly, including outriggers, cross members, and the upper deck. At Grand Design, our goal is simple: to keep you camping and building those memories of a lifetime.
Fostering a genuine connection with our owners has always been at the heart of who we are. From the very beginning, we knew we wanted to create more than just a product. We wanted to build a community for life, one that's rooted in shared experiences, lasting friendships, and yes, that passion for the open road. We also believe in giving back to the communities that welcome us and to the people who make this lifestyle so special. We proudly support 30 owner-led rallies across the U.S. and Canada each year. These gatherings are certainly more than just events. They're a celebration of everything that Grand Design stands for. At each rally, you find opportunities to learn through hands-on seminars, connect with people through fun and meaningful gatherings, and give back by volunteering with local organizations. Our dedicated impact team travels to many rallies to help lead community service initiatives and ensure that we leave each place better than we found it. Friends, if you're ever in Middlebury, Indiana, we would love to have you take a factory tour where you can see firsthand how our coaches are built, meet the passionate people behind them, and explore this place where it all comes to life. You know, for me, it's not just about the journey. It's about the people that we all meet, the memories we make, the differences we create together. It's about the Grand family.
Today, we stand just as firmly behind our vision of building a better RV company as we did on day one. Our commitment to quality, exceptional service, and to the vibrant community we've built remains steadfast. Our Grand Design team stands ready to support your travels, every mile, every memory, and every journey ahead. At Grand Design, we strive for nothing less than Grand Design customers for life. Thank you for being part of our family.